In triangle VOZ, we know the angle VOZ is a 90-degree angle. We also know that OY is the altitude of triangle VOZ. Because of this, we know that angle OWV is a right angle. We also know that OX is the bisector of angle VOZ, making angles 1 and 2 equal to angles 3 and 4. One other thing we know is that OY is the median, making line segments VY congruent to line segment YZ. Another thing we know is that angle OZV is equal to 30 degrees. As a result of this information, we also know that angle OVZ is 60 degrees. Now let's get down to business. We know that angles 1, 2, 3, and 4 add up to 90 degrees. Because of the angle bisector theorem, we know that angles 1 and 2 add up to 45 degrees. And because triangle OVW has 60 degrees and 90 degrees, we know that angle 1 is equal to 30 degrees because of the 30, 60, 90 triangle theorem. Since we know that angles 1 and 2 add up to 45 degrees, if we just do the math, we can easily tell that angle 2 is equal to 15 degrees. We know that triangle OWV is congruent to triangle OWY because of the angle side angle theorem. We know that the angles at the top are congruent. We also know that the sides are congruent, and we also know that the 90-degree angle is congruent, making angle 3 equal to 15 degrees. If you do this math. Since we know the first three angles are equal to 60 degrees, and the whole angle itself is equal to 90 degrees, if we subtract, we come up with 30 degrees as the last angle. There you have it. This is problem 11. Chill. Now, here's the real life scenario. You know it is.